find the smartest, most clever, most physically fit, but nobody else seems to realize it.
That's a lot of water. I'm not in my usual car, I don't have four-wheel drive. First the whole country burns down, now it's flooded. Welcome to Australia.
So you start segueing in from I'm a pro wrestler to I'm a sports entertainer, and with that change in the
We got this toast.
I don't think the others could do that. So that was kind of the deal there. But you know, I thought Paul come in and did he needed Paul when he needed.
A total fucking idiot doing a U-turn there. It's obviously illegal, but in that spot especially, it's stupid.
Coach, same basic traits,
Sake.
communication
You
skills,
idiot.
reliability, product
Fuckwit.
knowledge, knowing the love of the game. Those type of things are always boxes.
You see that complete meathead in that van, just looking out the window like, duh. What? Look at this fucking idiot. Where are you going? Look at this fucking idiot beep later. I'd like to know where he thinks he's actually getting to, but anyway. Good one, son. Oh my god, that guy. Look at this guy. If only we could have known what it was like to have a penis that small. You couldn't have waited 3 seconds until you could actually make a legal lane change? What was the goddamn point? Look at this asshole. Look at this wanker. An absolute prick.
That were a big part as well, and I'm sure we'll highlight them other times. But let's talk about the world title match. You know, this Triple H Randy Orton thing has been brewing for a long time. You know, going back to when Evolution first split. And then, I guess, first starts back on August 16th. Orton was kicked out of Evolution by Triple H after he, was successful in that SummerSlam fight.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Move your fucking ass.
What in the fuck are you waiting for?
An idiot in this ute is in the right lane. The truck is in the left lane, which doesn't end for a while yet. Absolute idiot. The whole idea of the truck being in the left lane that ends is for us to go past him because they're slow off the line. This clown in this ute's doing 40, doesn't move, and then waits and has the truck come over. What was the point?
You gotta be shitting me!
Here he is, look at him. Total idiot. Not getting out of the overtaking lane. Holding everyone up, he won't move. See? This guy's got the shits and cut him off because he's got the shits with him. See? Total idiot. Won't get out of the goddamn lane. You're not a... Dismount, you dick brain. See that? Big fucking sign there. I was going to wind my window down and tell him he was a fucktard. Look at this dickwad, will you? Look at this fucking clown. And this idiot that I told you has just driven straight. It clearly says the van's got his ass sticking into it, and it clearly says keep clear, because they're supposed to let these people from the right, like this white car, are supposed to come over. Now they don't have proper room because of this clown. Oh, look at that shit. Lots of water. Splash 'em! Oh, you fucking idiot. What an absolute wonder. Straight through a fucking red light. What an idiot.
And you wonder if he would have stayed in this shape his entire career and not had so many challenges.
Absolute moron.
None of this gets talked about a lot.
Alrighty, he's gonna plow straight over. What a wanker. And this guy's gonna follow him. Both of you two are absolute wankers. And now everyone can see how much of a wanker you are on YouTube. Congratulations. But oh, for the love of God, I'll give you 3, 2, 1. God damn it. There's even a sign just there that says, keep left unless overtaking. But no, they just can't do it.
Affiliated position, and if he
Oh, what a fucking wanker.
No in-person doctor visit, no
Oh, yeah. I had the shits with this white car and was going to change lanes to try and go around him, but this guy just went, fuck it, I'll run a red light.
The narrative to say, oh, they're so old. Oh, they're so past their prime. Oh, they're geriatric.
Hey, there's my mate who ran the red light. Isn't that interesting that you ran a red light to try and obviously save time, and look at that, we're both in the exact same position. Isn't it funny how those who do dangerous shit and break the law to try and save a few seconds seem to always wind up in the exact same place as the rest of us?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Jesus Christ. You're a fucking idiot.
Holy dog shit!
Oh, she even wants to give me the finger and call me and say fuck off. You're going to be the YouTube star of the week.
To us, then hey, more storage is available, there may be interest on this side, and by the way, would there be any interest in Randy Savage? And to my knowledge, I know from
idiot.
my vantage point when it was brought
What a fucking moron.
everything I was involved with.
No indicator in the pouring rain and you just cut in front of me. You stupid
Fucking donkey!
What's going on? Hang on. You're telling me you're waiting to get into the fucking... Idiot. That guy right there is a fucking asshole. He stopped all that traffic and he's trying to turn right from a non-turning lane. He's causing major traffic chaos in the rain so that he can try and turn right.
for TNA. Kurt Angle and AJ Styles having a singles match. But either way, Impact does a 1.5,
Yeah.
which is a record.
Oh, that stupid wanker over there and that... Oh, another one. Where the fuck has this epidemic of people doing U-turns at traffic lights come from? It just seems to be so prevalent these days. I just do not understand how it's become what it is.